have remained steadfast by God's grace. We have not changed our confession. He still remains to be the only knowing God, the all-knowing God, the only true Father, the only powerful, the only omnipotent, the only present God, closer than a friend, who sticks closer than a brother. We have not changed our confession. The enemy tried to scare us and instill fear even in our heart, but we have remained standing because of his love. We have remained because we have seen no other. We stood like Job and said, we know our Redeemer liveth. Even though we go through the valley of the shadow of death, we feared no evil. We stood and faced the enemy and still continue to declare, just wehlukile. La ehleli khona kunenzima kusebukhoneni bakhe kunenjabulo. What has kept us joyful is because igama lakhe liyisiphephelo sami. Ngiyamazi umhleki wami yena wehlukile. Akali aniswa sithi bayade ayibaye yade just wehlukile. We're just wehlukile.